My lola, when we were young, brought battery-operated toys.
Mm.
Siranik ko ako. Pag nasisira yung mga toys, binubuksan ko. Or maski na hindi sira, binubuksan ko to see what's inside. And from there, I think I was able to develop the hobby. And that was in grade school. High school, Don Bosco, electronics technology. College, ganun pa rin. My work, uh, I was working for 25 years. Electronics and IT and communication. So from there, from the very start, my life has been technology,
Mm.
non-babaero, career.